Fuzzy set theory and applications, module 1 part 2. Definition: alpha cut and strong alpha cut. Given a fuzzy set A defined on universal set X and any number alpha belongs to closed interval 0 1, the alpha cut and strong alpha cut are the crisp sets defined by alpha cut of A equal to set of all x such that A of x greater than or equal to alpha, and strong alpha cut of A equal to set of all x such that A of x greater than alpha. Example: the fuzzy sets represent concepts of young, middle-aged and old person are given. Alpha cut and strong alpha cut for alpha equal to 0. For alpha equal to 0, 0 cut of A1 is x, and strong 1 cut of A1 is equal to null set. Next definition: a level set. The set of all levels alpha element of closed interval 0 1 that represent distinct alpha cuts of a given fuzzy set A is called its level set. So level set of A equal to set of all alpha such that A of x equal to alpha for some x element of x. For A1, level set of A1 is closed interval 0 1 itself. For any fuzzy set A and a pair alpha 1 alpha 2 in 0 1 of distinct values such that alpha 1 less than alpha 2 implies that alpha 1 cut of A is a superset of alpha 2 cut of A. Similarly, alpha 1 cut of A intersection alpha 2 cut of A is alpha 1 cut of A, and strong alpha 1 cut of A intersection strong alpha 2 cut of A equal to strong alpha 1 cut of A. The support of a fuzzy set A within a universal set X is the crisp set that contains all the elements of X that have non-zero membership grades in A. The one cut of A is usually known as core of A. Height of a fuzzy set A is the largest membership grade obtained by any element in that set. A fuzzy set is called normal when h of A equal to 1. It is called subnormal when height of A is less than 1. Alpha cuts of a convex fuzzy set should be convex for all alpha element of 0 1. A fuzzy set A on R is convex if and only if A of lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2 greater than or equal to minimum of A of x1 A of x2 for all x1 x2 element of R and all lambda element of closed interval 0 1 where minimum denotes the minimum operator. Any property generalized from classical set theory into the domain of fuzzy set theory that is preserved in all alpha cuts for all alpha element of 0 1 is called cut-worthy property. Convexity is a cut-worthy property. Complement of a fuzzy set is defined as mu a complement of x equal to 1 minus mu a x, or a complement equal to 1 minus a of x, and intersection is the minimum of mu a x mu b x. Union is defined as maximum of mu a x mu b x. So this is a graphical representation of operations So these are called standard operations. The standard complement of fuzzy set A is a bar of x, a complement of x is equal to 1 minus a of x. Whenever a of x equal to a complement of x, then those points are called equilibrium points of fuzzy set A. So this is the standard intersection, standard union, and fuzzy complement. The graphical representations. This is an example to find standard union. Take the maximum of membership degrees. Similarly, for intersection, take the minimum. For complement, take 1 minus membership value of each element in the fuzzy set A. So a complement is 1 minus a of x. For element A, this is 1 minus 1, 0. For B, it is 1 minus 0.3, 0.7, and so on. This is another example. So difference of fuzzy set is A minus B can be written as A intersection B complement, and B minus A is B intersection A complement. De Morgan's law. The properties of fuzzy set. In general, A intersection A complement is not equal to null set. So to verify that law of contradiction is violated for fuzzy set, show that minimum of a of x and 1 minus a of x is not equal to 0. So there exists at least one x such that this minimum is not equal to 0. Law of absorption, A union A intersection B equal to A. Subsethood of a fuzzy set. A is a subset of B if and only if A of x is less than or equal to B of x. Scalar cardinality of fuzzy set is defined as cardinality of A equal to sigma A of x for every x element of x. This is an example. The degree of subsethood S of AB is defined as 1 by cardinality of A into cardinality of A minus sigma maximum of 0 A of x minus B of x, or it is equal to cardinality of A intersection B divided by cardinality of A, where S of AB lies between 0 and 1. The properties of alpha cut. The first decomposition theorem of alpha cut. A can be written as union alpha A, where alpha A is alpha times alpha cut of A. These are this extension principle. The extension principle states that the image of fuzzy set A under the mapping F can be expressed as a fuzzy set B, where B equal to f of A. With respect to the definition of y equal to f of x. So for any given function f from x to y that induces two functions, f from f of x to f of y and f inverse from f of y to f of x, which are defined by fa of y equal to supremum of a of x for every x such that y equal to f of x, and for all a in f of x, and f inverse of b of x equal to b of f of x for all b element of f of y. This is an example of Sade's extension principle. Y equal to f of x equal to x plus 4, and a is given so that b equal to f of a. Similarly, if y equal to x1 plus x2, a1 and a2 are fuzzy sets, then b equal to f of a1 a2.